What is up guys, PJ here in this video, and today in this video I'm gonna be reviewing and not reviewing but unboxing my WD Blue which I bought from Amazon, and it's around rupees 6200 for me, but the rate is around 6600 for the normal. It goes up around 7000. So if you are having a if you see a lightning deal over there in the Amazon, you can buy it for around 6200 rupees. So it's a good deal, I think. When I was buying WD, or when I was uh, surfing to the internet about WD, I thought what I saw is that this was the newest hard disk from WD. So I was not sure whether it's a good one or not, but when I researched and found that WD acquired SanDisk, so it might be like chips of SanDisk, casing of WD, reliability of WD. So that's why I bought it. So let's see what is inside the box. Just take a look. So let's open this seal package. Uh, it is so light that first I thought that whether it is having a hard disk or not. So SSDs are so light that I was just confused whether it is empty package or a filled one. So what we have is keeping everything aside, safety box. So have a look at the this is the hardest package, and it says it's around, the pricing is around 9500 inclusive of all taxes. The build is November 2016, and whatever else is here, 250 GB, 3 years of warranty. And what we have, storage, WD Blue. I'm having a WD Blue, so it is mainstream. Black is for performance, NAS is for servers, and purple is for surveillance, means for, I think, for cameras, security cameras. What is inside? Okay, so look at the size of this one. It's so small. It says a 250 GB. It's so much lighter that it is like empty plastic. So it says it's a 250 GB. It's made in Malaysia. This is all about. I will just open it. Wait a second. So this is the unboxing of WD Blue. It is having the same SATA connector. It's small in size. It's very light. So, and look at the how much thin it is. It's very much thin. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and stay connected for further videos like cloning from uh, hard disk to this SSD, and some other videos might be coming for this SSD, like benchmarking, and they have their own dashboard, so I will be making the video for the dashboard also. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up.